upwards, coming down, and the water that leaks pours on top of those things that acts like the hanging sheets twisted together. And then after then the process will begin, because the fan blade of the condenser will blow away the water that drops on top of the hanging cloth and act as air dryer. So that's okay, guys. If this drain pipe get clogged, this is what you can use to blow back whatever will be blocking inside the drain pipe using your mouth pressure. Okay, another thing here, guys, like you say, this whole thing is dirty, so I want to show you how to clean it. So you can see here the fan blade is still spinning, trying to cool off and work the process on the condenser. So but as you look at you can see yes, you look at the condenser, you see dirty all over it. So you just grab something like a feather dust or a brush scrubbing that was designed for this particular thing. So but right now let me show you with this feather duster. As you can see, dust is going out. So this thing is crucial, and it will make your fridge to increase its cooling power without wasting a lot of electricity. So yeah, stick on the idea, guys. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, share, comment, and like, and you can chat on down on the comment section below. So if whatever you want to ask about questions. So you guys, sometimes I just view my videos without liking, so the algorithm itself will just starting out to recommend my videos anyway. So I have another YouTube channel that is called UNVP, Unnoticeable Vehicle Problem. You can go and check it out. That is where I will be doing videos about how to fix cars, and that's where you can get vehicle car knowledge, how to fix and how to know anything, symptoms and whatever it is that will be happening when you drive the car. So just go check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. I love you.